Welcome back to the NIF tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn how to create dashboards in NIF. A dashboard is an element of a graphical user interface that displays information of different visualizations to a single page, and it also provides a specific way for a user to interact with NIF. In this tutorial, we'll try to see how to create a new dashboard using NIF. For that, you first have to click on the dashboard icon and then simply click on this plus icon. Select the workbook from which you want to select a visualization that will be the part of this dashboard. Like we have added this visualization, you can add multiple visualizations to a single dashboard by simply clicking on this plus icon. Select another workbook which consists of the next visual that you wish to add on this dashboard. This is how you can add n number of visualizations on this dashboard. At the end, simply provide some proper name to this dashboard and click on Save icon. Here on the dashboard page, now your created dashboard will be visible with the author name as your name. So I hope this tutorial helped you in order to understand how to create a new dashboard using NIF.